I realized something while testing AI tools lately. I wasn't using one tool, I was collecting them. One for writing, another for images, another for PDFs, another for video, another for translation, and suddenly my browser had more AI tabs open than actual work. That's why EaseMate AI caught my attention. The question I wanted to answer was simple. Can one platform really replace several of those tools, or is it just another AI toolbox? The first thing that stands out is the idea behind it. Instead of jumping between different websites every time your task changes, EaseMate AI brings multiple AI capabilities into one place. And honestly, that sounds like a small convenience until you actually use AI every day. Copying information from one tool to another, switching accounts, finding the right prompt, downloading files, those little steps add up. For a freelancer, that's especially useful. Maybe you're working on content in the morning, handling documents later, and creating visuals for a client in the afternoon. Normally, that can mean bouncing between several platforms. Having more of those tasks available from one workspace can make the whole workflow feel less fragmented. But here's where I wouldn't get carried away. Having everything in one place doesn't automatically make every feature the best in its category. That's a trade-off I'd keep in mind. A specialized AI tool might still give you better results for a very specific job. So I wouldn't cancel all your subscriptions after 5 minutes just because EaseMate has a long feature list. Instead, I look at your actual workflow. Pick the 3 or 4 AI tasks you do constantly and see whether EaseMate handles them well enough that you stop needing separate tools. That's a much more useful test than counting how many features are on the homepage. And there's another benefit I think people overlook: less context switching. When you're already focused on a project, opening another website can break that momentum. Keeping more of the workflow together means you can spend more time actually creating instead of managing your tools. So, can EaseMate AI replace 10 different AI tools? For me, that's not really the right question. The better question is whether it can replace the 3, 4, or 5 tools you use constantly. If it can, that's where the real value starts showing up. I wouldn't call it a universal replacement for every specialized AI platform, but if you're tired of paying for a pile of subscriptions just to get basic AI tasks done, EaseMate AI is definitely worth testing. Now, I'm curious about your setup. How many AI tools do you currently use every week? Comment below and give me your number. I want to see how ridiculous our AI tool